And the National Irrigation Authority is leveraging solar-powered water pumps to expand irrigation among small-scale farmers, especially in arid and semi-arid areas. National Irrigation Authority Acting CEO, Engineer Charles Muasia, says so far 31,000 solar water pumps have been installed in arid and semi-arid areas to power irrigation in community water pans.
15% of Kenyans rely on unimproved water sources, such as ponds, shallow wells, and rivers. A majority of them reside in arid and semi-arid areas whose survival circles around reservoirs, dams, and boreholes. The National Irrigation Authority says, due to this, water catchment schemes such as community pans and small dams have become essential in expanding the land under irrigation.
So that the farmers also will bring us for that cost. Because what we have realized is as much as also we give pumps to the farmers, they also don't have money to buy diesel, to buy petrol. It's a bit expensive now, out of reach of the common farmer. So that's the way now we are moving, giving solar, giving pumps, and also pumps which are solar.
He says through public-private partnerships, the National Irrigation Authority can focus on ensuring sufficient access to water for irrigation, which makes it easier to push Kenyans living in ASAL areas to participate in food production.
What we call water distribution, there is a way that we were doing water distribution that farmers had not been accustomed to before.
The solar water pumps, which has no recurrent costs, would ensure farmers in such areas have water streaming in during daylight.
Across all the counties, now supporting farmers to actualize the food security. What I mentioned, in the bigger picture, we want to grow a lot of maize in Galana, but for the millers. But now we're also supporting the farmers at the household levels also to produce their food.
Engineer Muasia believes that focusing on such water pans and small dams goes a long way in actualizing the 100 dams dream.
So we call it supplemental irrigation, whereby in a 1 acre we do this water pan. The farmer, the rains just will run like for a month and a half. Then the additional, the remaining 1.5 months, the farmers now pump this water and irrigate this crop to maturity. So we are able to get food and they are food secure.
Water conservation at the community level and the household level is the next step in order to ensure smallholder farmers have water constantly throughout the year. Hibak Said for Prime Edition.